Hello, Team ITT. How are you guys doing? Hope you guys are good. Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, everyone. You are all welcome to today's live stream. And today being 19th of July 2021, and we're about to start this trading for the week, right? So this is just CHFJPY. Yeah, so we'll try and look out for which particular pair to trade today, you know, so that we can trade one or two pairs for the day, right? It is very, very important, guys. Okay, so let's see what we have for the week before we go deeply into trading. So this is AUD right now, guys. You guys still remember what I said about it, that it will come down to this point before it will eventually bounce back to the upside. So let's see what exactly is going to happen on this pair being AUD right? So in just a quick nutshell, let's try and check what exactly is happening. So this is Euro GBP, and I'll clear this analysis so that we can start another analysis afresh, right? Very, very important, guys. Okay. So yeah, also if today is the first time here, guys, give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. Most importantly, subscribe to the channel, right? Subscribe and subscribe and subscribe. You know, because it helps out a lot. So let me just share the link with our free Telegram students, VIP, premium, and everything, so that they can come and join us as well, right? Very, very important. So let me send it to them so that they can come and join us you know, in order for us to trade all together. Very, very important, guys. All right, so now what are we supposed to do, since I've sent the links to them right now? So yeah, we just entered London session, 5 minutes now in a London session, right? So yeah, let me start to read what you guys are saying. So Kodra is saying that hi, yeah, hello bro, how you doing? Hope you good, hope you good. Then George is saying good morning to you as well, hope you good. Then Ken is saying hi, hello Ken, how you doing? Hope you good. All right. So yeah, George is saying that we should check GBP USD for him. All right. Yeah, GBP USD is one of the pair that I'm planning to trade for the week as well. So let's see what we have on GBP USD. So this is GBP USD right now, and you guys can see that GBP USD is trying to go back up. Go down to the downside. So it is what it is right now. The market is not giving us what we want, so it is what it is, guys. The market is not giving us what we want right at the moment. So right now you can see that GBP USD is breaking out of this structure, or breaking out of this level, going down to the downside. So this is going to be the next support level to support the market to go back up to the upside. So let's try and see what exactly is going to happen on GBP USD, right? Because I'm seeing that this is going to be the next support level on GU. So this is a London Open candlestick. So you can see this is the first touch, second touch, and the third touch right here. Also, you can put something similar like this, but you see that this very structure has broken to the downside right now. If you were in our Zoom call yesterday, you'll be able to know what's going on right now on this, right? So no need for me to buy this at the moment, because I'm seeing that the market is giving this impulsive move to the downside, right? Except when the market comes back in, then I might consider it as it will buy again. But right now, even if you go down to 5 minutes time frame, similar thing happening. You can see it broke out of this structure. So this was a sensation move yesterday. and broke out of it. Right now trying to go back down to around price 1.36725, and this is gonna be for about 50 something pips. Yeah, 50 pips move. So let's try and see what exactly is gonna happen on these guys. But right now, no need for us to buy this. So that's what is happening on GBP USD. So wait for the market to give you a perfect move to the upside or to the downside. But in this case now, if you are trying to sell the market, you've already missed the entry point. So no need for you to like try to get in again, because um because this move has happened already, so you've already missed it, right? So this is about 26 pips, so it's still pushing down to the downside. So wait for it to hit this market here, to hit this level right here around price 1.36725 before you buy it. And unable to do that except it give us another engulfing candle and get back in and close above this wick that you are seeing right here. Let me just mark it out and close above this level. So the market will have to close above this level before we can now say, okay, it will go back up to the upside. Without it closing above this level, definitely I will not be interested in buying this. So let's see what exactly is going to happen on this pair being GBP USD, right? So that's my take on GBP USD right now, guys. And if you are in a trade, you know what's up. You can you can continue holding your trade. I don't know if you are in a buy or sell or whatever. You can just continue holding it, right? So yeah, guys, let's go down and check another pair. GJ is supposed to make a move like GU, because they are positively correlated pairs. So you see GJ as well making a move to the downside. So it is what it is. Let's see what exactly is going to happen, guys. So I'm not interested in buying or selling this at the moment, but you can see that GJ is about to give us this double bottom formation right here. And if this market breaks out of this zone, definitely this is going to be the next target, right? So the other thing is just monitor the market and see what exactly is happening right here on this trade. Very important, guys. All right. So yeah, Ken is saying that we should check gold for him. All right, we'll try and check gold as well, but before that, let's just be monitoring these moves and see what exactly is going to be happening. Very important. So let's just wait and see, guys. That's what I'm doing right now. I'm just trying to see what exactly is going on and stuff like that. It is what it is, man. The market is not friendly right now. The market is not friendly. So yeah, even USD CHF that we did this thing last week, you see that is in some sort of drawdowns at the moment. So, and of course I'm still holding it. Right now is in drawdown of how many pips is this from here? So 13 pips. So it is what it is, guys. It is what it is. 13 pips. Now you see a break out of this structure. So USD CHF might push back up to the upside. Well, let's see. What do you have in fundamentals, guys? Fundamentals, is there anything happening? Okay, we're having USD news. Okay, that's gonna be in 6 hours and 8 hours, right? So yeah, we are good to go, man. We are good to go. GBP news had happened already, so now we are waiting for this Euro news in about 1 hour 48 minutes. So let's see what is gonna happen. It's very important for you to monitor your trade, guys. Very important. Don't panic, just monitor the trade. Monitor it and don't panic. I don't know if some of you can do that, but me personally, I can do that, man. I can do that. So let's see which pair to trade today. Everything is just going down for a retracement. Even, well, let's see. Okay, you see that AUD now has hit this support. So what we are supposed to wait for now is that let's try and wait for this AUD to give us a very good buying point or rejection candles right at this zone before we buy it, right? Because right now, no need to buy it, no need to buy it. Let's just wait and see what exactly is going to happen on AUD/USD, right? Very, very important. But you can see that we are having this trend line right here. So yeah, once we see a break out of this trend line, guys, we are going to get in and ride this particular pair to the upside. So let's wait and see for a breakout to happen, right? Let's wait for a breakout and retest. So basically, it might come up to around this price, which is around price 0.74422. That's where I'm expecting AUD/USD to come up for a retracement. That means in form of breakout, right? It's gonna happen in form of breakout. So uh, that's how it is. So right now, let's try and see what exactly is gonna happen. But right now, guys, the market is not friendly. It's not friendly at all, because market just opened. Today is Monday, and this is just the first London session of the week. So it is what it is. You have to just trade with a very good risk management, because we can never tell what exactly is going to happen. So now, what I'm waiting on AUD/USD now, after it came back down to this my expected price, I will expect AUD/USD now to start to come up, to break out of this, come up to this zone, then retest, or it might come down to this point for a retracement anyway, before it push back up to the upside again. And that's gonna be for how many pips move? It's gonna be for about 100 pips, and from here, if you calculate it, it's gonna be for 130 pips. So let's see what is gonna happen, guys. So yeah, I'll be waiting for a breakout to happen on AUD/USD as well, to ride it all the way to the upside, right? So remember, this is 15 minutes time frame. We have to wait for all of this move to happen, guys, before we can start to trade this, right? Okay, let me just check what you guys are saying right now. Okay, some of you are saying that, okay, I should check gold. Okay, then Kishon is saying that, love, bro, the market never friendly. Yeah, it hasn't been friendly, because the market does what the market makers want them to do. So it is what it is, man. It is what it is. Just trade with a very good risk management. That's my advice for you guys, because nobody can tell what exactly can happen or whatsoever in the market. All of us are trading either based on the fundamental analysis or sentimental analysis, or the technical analysis, right? Those are the three type of analysis. Number one, we have sentimental analysis. So let me just maybe try to put this so that you can understand what I'm talking about. Sentimental analysis. Then the second one we have is what we refer as technical analysis. Let me put it technical analysis. Technical analysis. Then the next one we have is fundamental analysis, right? So these are the three type of analysis we have, guys. So it's gonna be the fundamental analysis. So these are the three type of market analysis we have. So now, since you know that, yeah, these are the market analysis we have: sentimental, technical, and fundamental. So I personally trade based on either one of these analysis. So it can either be sentimental, technical, or fundamental analysis. Hopefully you guys are getting what I'm saying, right? So right now, according to what we are doing, is technical analysis. Then if you come down to check news, and you start to analyze some countries economic movement and stuff like that, that's what we refer as fundamentals, right? And then followed by your sentimental analysis is just normal sentiment, right? what are the things that traders react to when it comes to the bullish market, bearish market, and stuff like that, right? So that is it, and let's continue, guys, with whatever that we're having right now on the chart, so you guys can see what exactly is happening right at the moment on AUD/USD. So yeah, like I said, guys, let's wait for a breakout to happen on AUD/USD before we can trade it to the upside, right? Very, very important. So let's try and see what is going to happen. What is going to happen? And of course, I'm seeing that it will definitely go to the upside, guys. It will definitely go to the upside. The most important part of it is that you monitor your trade, right? You monitor your trade. Okay, let's go down and check gold, so we can see what exactly is happening on XAUUSD, right? So gold too is trying to come down for a retracement. Okay, it has come down for retracement already. So you see that this is the analysis I'm having on gold. So right now, okay, I will shift this down a bit. Okay, that's where the support is. So now what is happening on gold? Gold too is coming down for a retracement, guys. So we need gold to happen to finish this move before it will go back up to the upside. So gold right now is retracing. So we need gold to come down to around price 1795.251. 1795.251. That's where gold will reach before it will go back up again for another swing high move. So yeah, wait for this move to happen on gold, guys. Wait for it to happen. Wait for it to happen. After it happens, then you can get in for a buy and ride it all the way to the upside. So you can see on USD/JPY as well. You guys still remember last week we took a sell on this. Right now, though, you know, we've closed the sell already. We've closed the sell already at ITT. So right now it's trying to come up for a retracement before it will push back down to the downside again. So wait and see what exactly is going to happen on this very pair. Wait for what is going to happen, guys. So this is NZD/JPY. Just push down to the downside. Okay. Yeah, NZD/JPY, you know, broke out of this retest. So right now, it's still not a valid sell. It is still not a valid sell for me anyway. I don't know for you, but me personally, I will not buy it. I will not sell this. Rather, I'll wait for what exactly is going to happen within this area. After it breaks out, definitely it's going to go back up to the upside, right? So far so good, guys. There's no specific pair that we are in at the moment. We are not in any trade right now, but I'm still holding my USD/CHF from last week. So let's see what happens on USD/CHF. That was the last week trade anyway, not this week. NZD/JPY still doing this magic. USD/MXN, okay, try to sell now. Same thing. NZD card, same thing. Okay. Okay, so yeah, you can see GU is trying to reject this, and like I said earlier on, if you remember, I said that GU need to get back inside this before I will regard it as a buy trade. But right now, no need for us to buy this, guys. No need for us to buy this. Let's just wait and see what exactly is going to happen on GBP/USD. So of course, I'm still monitoring this trade, and I will continue to monitor it until when I see a very, very good buying opportunity on this GBP/USD, right? But of course, right now, no need to buy this. No need to buy this at the moment. Let's just see what happens. Let's just see what happens. Yeah, that's just it, man. That's just it. After it breaks in and call back inside this level, I'll look out for some sort of a retracement. Then I'll get in again and ride it to where I'm expecting it to go, right? So that's just see, guys. Monitor your trade, man. Monitor your trade. It is very, very important. But right now, I didn't take any trade for the week, so still looking out for which pay to trade, where I'm having an entry points and stuff like that. But at the moment, there is no entry point right now. So let's just see. Let's just see. I'm just observing. Ken is saying that we should check VIX 75. You've already given us gold, so I only take one single pair from a user. So you've already given us gold already. So no need for me to go down and check V75. So yeah, I will do analysis of V75 maybe during London market or Asian session. Let's see. That's in London or New York. I meant to say New York. So let's go down to Forex Factory and see what is happening or what you are having right on Forex Factory as well. Okay. SDCHF doing some magic. It's not a good market structure to get in, guys. Yeah, this guy too is still around this area, which is which I said that okay, it is a double bottom formation, but now let's see what is going to happen. Let's just see. No need for us to get in right now, guys. So this USDCHF finally broke out. So now I think it's going to hit stop loss and continue to go back up to the upside. But right now, I just risked about 1% or 2% on this. So if it hit my stop loss, I was ready for it to hit my stop loss, right? So now you can see USD CAD 2 is pushing back up to the upside. So um, it is what it is, guys. It is what it is. NZDJ boy try to reject this. So let's see how far this goes, man. With Geo trying to push back down again. I think Geo will just continue to go back down because that's what I'm seeing right now, according to the market moves. But we can never tell. You know, something can still happen. Something strange, right? Let's just wait and see. Let's just wait and see, guys. Let's just wait and see. It is always very important for you to see what the market is doing and stuff like that. Don't just get in and say, okay, let me just ride this or whatever. Don't do that, bro. Don't do that. So that just say let's wait and see. Let's wait and see what is gonna have for us. So yeah, I think GBP, I mean AUSD is trying to do similar thing. Let's keep on waiting, guys. Let's keep on waiting and waiting and waiting. Patience is the key, man. Once you are patient enough, you'll be able to know what exactly you are doing when it comes to trading forex. But if you are not patient enough, anything you say, okay, let me just get in, do this, blah blah blah, definitely it's not gonna work out very well. So of course I'm not praying for that, but that is the reality. That is the reality. So it is what it is, guys. It is what it is. So that's just it, right? So So let's see guys, let's see what is gonna happen. Right now you can see just pushing down to the downside, no need for me to buy this. Let me wait for it. Let me go down, let me check Euro JPY anyway. Oh, Euro JPY as well, pushing down to the downside. Okay, all right. The whole market right now is moving to the downside, guys. So you know no need to trade right now. The market is getting crazy, so no need to trade this right at the moment. See, even right here the market broke out of it. Let's wait for this 1 hour candle to close and see what is happening on this. Come on everybody, see a very good move to the downside. So let's see what is going to happen. All right, okay. ADJPY2, you see it broke out of this retest, boom, now pushing down to the downside. Of course, no need to buy these guys. So this guy Euro GBP, is trying to push back down, which is a good indication of a rejection to the upside. So we might see GBP USD will try to buy soon, and of course not soon anyway, because I say it has to get into this price 1.37614. After it get into that and break out of it, then I will regard this GU as a buy opportunity. But right now, no need for me to buy GU. No need for me to buy GU. So let's just see what is going to happen, guys. It is what it is. It is what it is, man. All right. So the market has not been friendly. So I personally can't do anything. The only thing I can do is to do the analysis and everything for you guys, right? So you see, the market is not moving perfectly, guys. It's not moving perfectly. So lots of manipulations going on. You see Euro USD too, boom, trying to go down to the downside, and of course you see this. So I'll get rid of all of this. See what is happening now is that the market is respecting this trend line. The market is respecting this trend line to go down to the downside. So now what I'm saying on Euro USD is that Euro USD is trying to break out of this, but failure to do that, is going to break out and continue to push back up to the downside or to the upside. It depends. But if it breaks to the upside, it's going to go back up. If it breaks to the downside, you're going to retest again, continue to push down. But right now, let's see what is going to happen. Let's see what is going to happen. Very, very important for you to do your analysis and things like that, guys. Very important. So morning, can you check USD JPY? Are you still here? Siobo, are you still here? If you are still here, you can say yes in the chat section so that I will be able to check the USD JPY for you. But if you're not here anymore, no need for me to check it out. So tell me if you are here or not. Then we'll know what to do next. You just tell me. Yeah, it seems to be you are not here anymore, so no need for me to check that out. Let me just be checking what I'm seeing and what I want to trade. So yeah, this one is still moving around this double bottom formation. Let's see what happens in the meantime. It is what it is, guys. It is what it is. So that's just how. So let's go down and check ADUSD. Like I said that we'll be trading some of these pairs this week. You can see that ADUSD right now. Let me just delete all of this. I was trying to explain something to you guys, right? This is for our time frame on AUD. You can see that the market has been moving to the downside. So right now, what I'm saying is this is the support level, which I plotted on the weekly time frame. Yellow levels are support on the weekly time frames, right? So now the market has hit the support level. I'm expecting it to start to go back up now to the upside after it breaks out of this structure. After it breaks out of this, then definitely it's gonna go back up to the upside. But failure to do that, you know what's up? So something different is gonna happen when it's not able to do that. So let's just continue to monitor this trade and this pair, guys. AUSD trying to misbehave anyway. But let's see what happens. Let's see what happens here. Let's just see what happens here, guys. So very important. Well, it is what it is. All right. So yeah, if today is your first time here, guys, my name is Israel the Trader, or you can call me Israel, because that's the name. And make sure you give this video a thumbs up if you like it, and also share with your friends and family. Very important, right? Very important. Okay, so let's just continue to wait what exactly is going to happen on um what is it called this on this pair being ADUSD. If ADUSD is able to break out of this, the next level is going to be around here. So let's see what is going to happen. Like I said, no need to buy this at the moment. Wait for the perfect move, guys. Let's wait for the perfect move. Let it happen first, then we're gonna see um, something good, right? So let's just see what happens. And also, like I said, I'm still holding USD Let's check it out so you can see. Okay, so USD right now trying to come back down. You see that? So this is where I got it last week. So right now I'm still holding it. So you can see this rejection to the upside. So that means DXY is getting weak, man. DXY is supposed to start to come down, continue to move to the downside. So DXY will definitely start to continue to go down. If okay, it has broken out of this anyway. So let's wait and see what. Okay, there's another resistance zone here. Let's just wait and see what exactly is going to happen on DXY, guys, because we have to have DXY selling before Euro USD and other pairs, USD pairs, to start selling. Right, but if DXY is still bullish, USD CHF, USD JPY, stuff like that, they will continue to buy. But right now, let's see what is gonna happen. Let's just see what is gonna happen. Very important for you to just keep waiting and observing what is going on. Like I said, no need to panic, no need to over trading or whatever. Let's just see what is going on. And of course, one of our major focus this week, we're going to be focusing on USD JPY. What is it called? ADUSD, and also, yeah, hopefully it's gonna come back in profit. So USD JPY. Oh, you see USD JPY is still pushing. USD JPY is still pushing, guys. So um, that just it. Let's just see what is gonna happen. USD card. Okay, USD card is still bullish, following the DXY. That one is following DXY. So hopefully we don't have any card news. Let me check. Okay, we only have USD, GBP, okay, and Euro. Same thing here. Okay, you're using about 1 hour 22 minutes, so it is what it is. And like I said, we're going to be focusing on ADPS and uh, you know, stuff like that, maybe GBPS and the rest of them. I have no idea why AD card is buying and ADUSD is not buying because of the XY, right? ADJPY similar thing. So let's just see. So it's trying to break out of this out of the support zone, which is the weekly time frame support. So ADSD is trying to break out of that. You can see it's trying to push and break out of it. So let's just see what happens. Let's just see what happens. And of course, no need to panic. No need to panic. Just focus and trade. Focus and trade, bro. So yeah, we are waiting for rejections, guys, and give us this perfect entry point for either buy or sell. It depends on what we are saying on all of these pairs, right? Very, very important for us to wait and see what is happening. So I don't want to just like keep you guys doing this and that, so that you'll be saying, hey Israel, why you say this, why you say that. So let's just see what exactly is going to happen, right? So guys, let's just see, let's just see. All right, so USD CHF right now is trying to push down to the downside, and you know, let me check it out. Let me check it out. Euro USD. Okay, Euro USD is trying to push back up to the upside as well. So this is gonna be the support level for USD, for Euro USD. But right now, there has no good entry point, guys. You know, so this is it. So before we regard this as a buy, so it has to like get back in here before we can now say, okay, it's gonna go back up to the upside. It is what it is. You know, let's just I'll keep on monitoring these trades and everything. So you see USD CHF trying to push down again. Well, let's just see what is going to happen. Euro USD, AUD USD. Okay, all right. Just be patient, guys. Be patient. So far, you're a forex trader. You have to be patient and monitor all of this, right? So yeah, like we do say, guys, if today is your first time here, subscribe to the channel, share the video with your friends and family, and also give this video a thumbs up, right? Very, very important for you to do that. It do help out a lot. So that's how you can support ITT. All right. So let's just see. Like I said, from here, it's gonna go back up to the upside. So let's try and see and wait what exactly is gonna happen on AUD USD from here. We're supposed to spend 1 hour here, so now we spent about 39 minutes. We only have 21 minutes left, so let's see what exactly is gonna happen. And of course, I'll keep on updating you on whatever that is happening in case if I go offline. So it is what it is. Let's just wait and see, guys. Let's just wait and see. Let's just wait and see. You know, because that's what I do tell you guys, that you know it is very important for you to do analysis and everything, so you guys can see what is happening on AUD USD right now. So if we eventually see a close above this price on AUD USD right now, right around this price, then we might decide to start to buy this if it eventually close inside this. So it's gonna go back up to the upside. Like I said earlier on, I said that this is a weekly time frame support, so it will support the market to go back up to the upside. Let's just wait and wait and wait and wait for the perfect move to happen. Very important. So I'm just waiting, you know, I'm just waiting and see what is going to happen, guys. So AUD, GBP, USD, GBP, JPY, and also Euro JPY are some of the pairs that I'm looking at for the week. So, but let's try and continue to see what this pair being AUD, USD have for us for the week. So it is very, very important, guys. Also, if you are not yet joined us on our free Telegram channel, we do share a lot of educational stuff there. Make sure you follow us on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and also follow us on our free Telegram channel. All the links are in the description of this video. Just go and check them out and follow us on all of them, guys. God bless you as you do so right at the moment, right? So do it very quick. Follow ITT on all of our platform. So you know let's just wait and see, guys, for this market to close inside this, right? Okay, so yeah, like I said, let's wait and see for a close inside this, and before I will say, okay, this particular pair is going to push back up to the upside. But most importantly, uh we'll have to wait for it anyway. Let's just wait for the whole move to happen. No need to say, oh yeah, it's gonna go or whatever. Don't gamble the market. Wait for it to give you a very, very perfect and good move to get in. It is important to do so. So let's just see, guys. All right, let's continue to be checking what's going on, guys. What's going on? What's going on? What's going on? Yeah, what's going on? What's going on? Um, I'm just trying to see what's happening. Very important. Very, very important. Okay. So, you know, let's just try to see. And of course, I'll keep you updated, guys, on whatever that is happening right now. Whatever that is happening, I'll keep you updated, right? Keep you updated, and that's just it. So, let's just try and see what the market have for us for this week. Okay. So let's try and see. Let's try and see. All right. Okay. All right. All right. Not seeing. So you see, ADUSD is trying to get back in, guys. So this is a good news happening. Good news, good news, good news. So yeah, once it get back in, we are going to start to trade this for a buy on AUD USD. So it's trying to get back in, so let it close inside this, then we are going to buy the market to ride it for how many pips? For about 42 pips, so this is going to be some sort of a day trade, and this is not going to be a swing trade today anyway. As you guys can see, this is 5 minutes time frame, so this is going to be some sort of day trade and stuff like that, right? So let's wait and see for the market to close inside these, and most importantly, wait for this 1 hour candle to close. Very, very important for this 1 hour candle to close. You see that? This is the 1 hour candle that I'm talking about. I don't know if you guys are seeing this. This is the candle. So if this candle eventually closes as a hanging man, it's going to be a good sign of a buy to the upside, right? So that's what I'm seeing on this very, very pair, which is GBP USD. All right, so let's just wait and see what is going to happen on this pair being GBP USD. I mean AD USD, and of course we'll still be looking out to trade more different pairs. So let's just wait and see what is happening. What is happening? So yep, that just see, guys. All right. So I hope you guys are enjoying the video. If you're enjoying it, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, share the video with your friends and family. And if today is the first time here, why not just subscribe to the channel and stuff like that. Very, very important, guys. All right, very important. So that's how you can support the channel. That is the only way you can support us. And of course, if you are trying to support us maybe by donations or whatever, you can do that right now on the channel. Just check where uh, you do comments, you'll be able to see where you can support ITT right there, so that you encourage ITT to do more of this if you like what you are doing here so far. So this is very important, right? Because that's just it. Let's try and see what exactly is going to happen there. You see a dollar sign there, and you just support ITT by donating some, something, that just it. All right, let's continue, and let's continue to monitor the market. Like I said, I'm waiting for 1 hour candle to close, and also waiting for the market to close inside this zone. You can see it hasn't closed it. It hasn't closed yet. It's still within the area. So let's see where is it closing inside this, and push back up to the upside, guys. So so that we can trade AUD for the week. And this is gonna be our first trade, but let's see. Let's just see what happens. Because that just me, man. That just me. So anything that is happening, I'll tell you that. Okay, let's just see what is going on and stuff like that, right? So you can see it's getting back inside of this. So yeah, we are about to buy this pair being AUD right now. I'm about to buy it. I'm about to get in for a buy, but even if it closes inside this, like I said, we have to wait for the 1 hour candle to close before we regard this as a buy opportunity for around 40 pips, right? For around 40 pips. So stop loss is going to be around 15 pips thereabout. Yeah, stop loss is going to be done right there, or let's make it to be 1 to 2 risk to reward ratio, meaning that stop loss is going to be around 20 pips, right? So well, let me see. Okay, since this is the weekly support, so let it just be below the weekly support level, right? Let it just be below the weekly support level. And of course you can see that the market is back down again, so we have to see the market close inside this, then and also wait for the 1 hour time frame candle to close before we can regard this as a buy opportunity for us to ride it all the way to the upside, right? So it is very important for us to wait for this move, guys, and before we get it for this trade. Let's just monitor this trade and wait and see what is going to happen. Let's just monitor it and wait and see what is going to happen, guys. You see that? So let's see. So from here to the upside, how many pips is this? About 8 pips. All right, it's all good. It's all good. So let's just see and wait for the 1 hour candle to close. So the 1 hour candle is going to be closing in about 7 minutes from now. So 7 minutes from now it's going to close, and I'm preparing or getting ready to buy AUD, guys, to the upside. So it's gonna go back up for about 40 pips right now. So let's see what happens right here. Let's just see what happens. Okay, let's see what happens. Let's see what happens. So it is what it is. And of course, like I said, I'm still holding USD JPY. I mean USD CHF. So that's just it. All right. Okay, guys. Okay. And of course, like I said, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share with your friends and family, and if today is the first time, just subscribe to the channel so that you don't miss our live streams every blessing day, because we do live streams every day. I mean every day. So yeah, just join join the ITT family. Very important. Join the ITT family. So yeah, guys, we have about how many minutes we have here now. Check it out. We have around nine minutes left. So in order for us to close this, so let's see what happens. And of course, I'll keep on updating you about this AUD trade and stuff like that. I have some schedule outside of trading. I have some schedule outside of trading today, so I have to go and attend it as well. I have to go and attend it, guys. I have to go and attend it. So very important as well. It is what it is, man. It is what it is. So yeah, the candle is going to close in about 5 minutes from now. So let's see what will happen right here, guys. And of course, it's not giving us this perfect strong move to the upside. Let's see. Or else, if it's not giving us a strong move, we could have wait for another breakout, which is going to be this trend line breakout. Patience is the key, guys. Patience is the key. So no need to get in right now. Let's just see what happens within this area, because it's trying to push back down to the downside. And of course, lots of things happening, man. Lots of things happening. No need to panic, and no need to just get in without you having your confluences. Like I said, this is a weekly time frame support, man. I don't trade 5 minutes time frame, but based on the fact that this is my weekly time frame support, and you see that the market is trying to reject this, so it is a good indication for you to know, yeah, the market is ready or getting ready to go back up to the upside at the moment. All right, so let's see what happens from here. I'm seeing that the market will continue to push back up, but we can never tell except it happens, right? Because the market makers will try to hit your stop loss and stuff like that. So right now, let's wait and see for this 1 hour time frame to close, which is the candle. After it closes, we're going to see what's going to happen. All right, so it's still making all of these playful moves, back down for about 4 pips. Let's just see what happens. Let's see what happens. Delete it, man, because I don't need this. That was a mistake anyway. So alright, guys, that's what I have for you today, man. That's what I have for you today. No entry point at the moment, so I'm gonna go out for for some of my business schedule, since the forex industry or forex market is not doing what I want right now. So no need to buy this except it closes inside this and continue to push back up to the upside, because right now let's wait for that 1 hour candle to close. That's another thing. So it is very, very important. All right, very important, guys. So and of course I'm waiting to buy the market, but not right now, just waiting to buy this market. I just shared my bias on it. So that's it. I'm looking out for the buy on this GBP USD. Let's see. Let's see what it will have for us after the market close. I mean after the 1 hour time frame candle to close, not after the market close. So let's just wait and see, guys. And of course you can see from there now the market is pushing down to the downside. No need to buy it for now. No need to buy it for now. No need to buy it for now, guys. So I'll shift this to the downside this way, because I'm not in the trade right now. So no need to buy this at the moment. Let's just see what happens after this 1 hour candle closes. And of course it's going to close in about 1 minute from now. So and our stream is ending in about 4 minutes. So of course, like I said, join our free Telegram channel so that whenever I update you guys about this, if I'm not on what do you call it now, if I'm not live on YouTube, you can be seeing my updates and everything on the free Telegram channel. You know, that's why I'm saying go and join us. I'm not just trying to force you to be there or whatever. I don't oh my goodness, I don't need you, man, if you don't want to go there, because it's for your own good, not me. So I'm just trying to say, okay, if you'd be liking to know the updates and everything about what is happening here, you know, you can follow us on the Telegram so that we can be doing this together, right? But if you say, nah, I don't, I'm just trying to get me to your Telegram channel and stuff like that, you know, you're all welcome to not get in. But it is what it is, guys. So yeah, the 1 hour candle has been closed, and as you can see, it's still closed as a form of a very, very move breakout candle to the downside, or you can say a very impulsive candle to the downside, right? So right now, guys, no need for us to still buy this. No need to buy this, because no buy indication right here on this uh, on this pair being GBP being AUD USD. Right now, let's wait and see if we're going to see another closing side, or if we see this next candle being engulfing the previous 1 hour candle. So we have to wait for this to engulf this very candle now and give us what we refer as tweezers bottom. After I give us this tweezers bottom formation, definitely it's going to go back up to the upside, and from there we can buy it and ride it all the way to the upside, right? So I think I will leave you guys here now, and of course join our free Telegram channel in order for you to be updated on whatever that is happening at ITT, so that you don't miss out whatever I'm doing right here, right? It is very, very important. And of course, you know, I'm still Israel the Trader, and I'm signing out, guys. Thank you very much for your time and everything. So, you know, I will see you during New York session or tomorrow during London session, right? So it is very, very important for you to keep in touch with me so that we can know exactly what is happening in the forex industry or in the forex market, right? Okay, once more again, guys, I'm signing out. Have a nice day, and I wish each and every one of you a very good and blissful week, you know. So try with a very good risk management. My regards to each and every one of you guys, family. So peace out, guys. Peace out, man. All right. So I sign out, guys, right at the moment.